Hey everybody, happy Friday. We've made it to another weekend, y'all. That is so awesome. You will have to tune over to CBA Mom Saves to see what the roles for the rainy day funds are. She's the one hosting today, and I appreciate their help. CBA Mom Saves, Janet from My Modern Homestead, and Lady Di Saves. Absolutely love all three of them ladies, and I appreciate their help. So, here's what we got today. This is my little tiny binder that I've been working on, 25 cents an icon. I'm going to finish this one out and do away with this little binder because I made me a new one. And after I get my savings done here, I'll show you what that new one's going to look like. So I went through and added up, and I need $9 to finish this one off. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this will finish all of these off. So we're just going to go through and grab them all out. Alrighty. We're going to take out the money. And I'll tell you what I saved with these just as soon as we get all these marked off. So there's 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, $1.50, 75, $2, 25, 50, 75, $3, 25. Oh, these are a budget with Elma. 50, 75, $4, 25, 50, 75. This is from Angela Marie, 888. $5, 25, 50. This one's mine. 75, $6, 25, 50, 75, 7, 25, 50, 75, 8. Yeah, somewhere I miscounted, but it needed $9. But anyway, this one is from Joe at CBA Mom Saves, and this is from My Modern Homestead, Janet. So with these tinies, I saved 20, 30, 45, 55, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $77 with those. Yes, ma'am. So we're going to set that over there. Now, we're going to do away with that little binder. We're going to work on March Madness, hosted by Lisa Grateful Me. We got 6 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 25-cent icons. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In cash, I got $12 in prop cards. We'll put the money back here in the bank. And we got a 6-sided dice that's going to tell us which team is going to play. We got a 3-sided dice that'll tell us how many prop cards each one's going to get. Team 2. I don't think that thing likes to roll team 1. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, we got our 3-sided dice. It's going to tell us how many cards. We got 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1. 1 and 2. All right, this first one is from Grammy's Journey. She got 3. So there's 1, 2, 3. Next one is Canadian Finance. I just love that little panda. She got 2. 1, 2. This one is from Budgets with Elma. She got 1. And this one is Mindy's Budgeting. Oh, she only needed 1. All right, we got hers finished. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and put it here on Canadian Finance. All righty. These go back in Team 2. Now, next team, Team 1. Yay! Finally! There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I hope y'all can see everybody. All right, we got our 3-sided dice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1. 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, this first one is from, who is this from? Crafty, but I think that's now spelled with a Z. Crafty's Twisters. Got 1. This one is from Jenny Gems to Save. She got 3. 1, 2, 3. This one is from Not Lucky, Just Blessed. Who is this from? Craft and Budget with On. She got 3. Miss Craft and Budget with On. All right. This one is from Lulu Innovations. Innovative. Lulu Innovative. Got 3. 1, 2, 3. This one is from the Crafty Saver, Janet. She got 2. 1, 2. And this one is from Budgets with Miss P. She got 1. Alrighty. What does that say? Budget with Mrs. P. Alright. Number 1. Next team. 5. Team 5. Team 5 is really looking to finish. We got 1. They ain't gonna finish like that. 1. Oh no. 2. That's so sad. All right. Plan to Save Designs got 1. She just needs 2 more. The Enchanted Owl's Nest got 1. It's Me, BB got 2. 1, 2. They're working on it. Team 5, Mary, not Team 6. All right, next team. Oh, Lord. Team 5 again. I think that dice is loaded, y'all. All right, we're going to finish these this time. 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go with that one. 1, 2. Well, these both need 2. And both of them got 2. So Team 5 is now finished. It's Me, BB, got 3. 1, 2, 3. The Enchanted Owl's Nest. Oh, no, they needed 3. They got 2. They still need 1 more. And Plan to Save Designs got 2, and that's all she needed. So we still got 1 more for Team 5. Okay. Team 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, they're down to 5 players. All right. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Ooh, we're about out. 1. Yep, we're about out. All right, this one is from Joe at CBA Mom Saves. She got 2. 1, 2. This one is from, this is the one that I don't know, POSG or an E. I'm not sure what that is. They got 1. Oh, and that was all they needed. Okay, that one is finished. This one is from Lisa Grateful Me, our lovely host. She got 3. 1, 2, 3. Cash Budget Retiree, Miss Valerie, she got 2. 1, 2. And Angela Marie 888, she got 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Team 4 is now down to 4 players. All right, get in there. Well, all right. Team 6 has got 1, 2, 3, 4 players left. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these 2 are the only ones who are ready to finish. 3. And they just need 2. And 2 is what I got left. So these 2 team players are going to go back in. This one is from Bookish Mama Budgets. Whoop, there it is. She got 3, and that's what she needed. 3. All right. Small Town Budgets needed 2. That's what she got. So there's 2 more that are done. All righty. Let me clean up my mess, and I'll be right back. I had made me the 1, 2, 3 binder. Lily over at EMT Dispatcher on a Budget, she does this, and I really like it. I had started it once before, and then I quit. So I went ahead and I remade me another one, 1, 2, 3, and there's my bank. I added the bank envelope with it. But I was sitting around here last night, and I was thinking, I'd like to have something else like this. So I came up with my summer savings book. It's got 4 envelopes, 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, and $1. What I will do is I will bring $10 a week to this. I will put $1 into the 25 cent, color off 4 icons. I will put $2 in the 50 cent, cover off 4 icons. I will put $3 in the 75 cent one and color off 4 icons. And $4 into the dollar and color off 4 icons. So each week, each challenge that I'm working on will get 4 icons colored off and $10. So you figure 4 and 3 is 7. 2 is 9. And 1 is 10. So I thought that was such a neat, a neat way of saving. And I've got my bank money back here to go into. I haven't started this one yet. I'm thinking maybe next week. I'm not real sure. But that's going to be my $10 savings book. This is a $6 book. You bring $1, $2, and $3, Added up, that's $6. I think I'm going to start bringing 12 a week to this one. So that's $22 a week that I can put into these two binders and have fun saving it and watch it add up. And y'all, I got on Canva and I made me some faith scratch offs. They turned out so pretty. This one says, no matter how far you've fallen, the sunrise always proves that darkness can be broken. Rise up, start again, and never give up. Some of them are Bible scriptures. Some of them are faith positive affirmations. This one is Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. A lot can happen in 3 days. Yes, ma'am. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Joshua 24:15. Life is a journey, not a race. Trust the process. Pause to enjoy the moment and take time to appreciate the beauty around you. Isn't that pretty? The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? Psalms 27:1. Sometimes God doesn't give you all the details. He just says, trust me. Dear Lord, help me forgive and release what still hurts. Dear Lord, help me forgive and release what still hurts in Jesus' name. Amen. Set your affection on things above, not on things on the earth. Colossians 3:2. Faith is trusting the journey even when you can't see the destination. What's meant for you will never miss you. My God is a wonderful God. He turns my tears into testimonies and my fears into faith. Whosoever shall confess that Jesus is the Son of God, God dwelleth in him and he in God. 1 John 4:15. Peace doesn't come from everything being perfect. It comes from trusting that you listened when it mattered most. Every prayer is a seed and faith is the water. Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me. Psalms 51:10. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. And then we're back to the first one. There's 16 cards, and I put 3 scratchers on the back of them. This set, I'm not exactly sure yet what I'm going to do with it. It's an extra set that I made, but I'll figure that out and go from there. But anyway, there's my video for today. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. I hope you have terrific weather and able to get out and soak up some vitamin D. But with that, I'm going to say good afternoon. God bless. Take care. And until we meet again, I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Bye now.